Welcome, in front of me I have MOTOROLA Moto E7 Power, and today I'll show you how you can check number of apps opened each day. You have to go for the settings, scroll down and go for the Digital Wellbeing and the parental controls, click to show our data and go for the unlocks. Right now you can scroll down and here you have all apps, all on your phone. As you can see, I opened Google application 8 times, Play Store 6 times. We can also check other days and also other weeks when you swipe right here and click here to show all apps. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.